I attach the shoulder yoke, you see, just normal stitch and put 2 top stitch. Just take 1 centimeter margin and stitch that. After that you can put 2 stitch. One is edge stitch and one is 1/4 stitch. Okay. This is the back part is also done, and this is the front. Now I am going to attach the normal stitch both the front, and after stitching you can put 2 stitch like the shoulder yoke, same stitch on the shoulder seam. Okay, and after stitching you can attach the sleeve, just normal attach. Take 1 centimeter margin and stitch that and put 2 top stitch like a shoulder seam.